Hi, my name is Amber Weilert. I just go by Amber. I live in the rainy state of Washington in a city called Tacoma. It's about 30 miles south of Seattle. My work experiences is I currently work in an emergency room. I work in a department called Patient Access. I mostly do administrative work, but I have contact with patients for a variety of reasons, including psych patients. I've worked in the medical field for nearly all of my career in one form or another. Interesting fact, I have 5 children, 3 of which still live at home. I like to watch movies, nothing terribly exciting, and just pretty much a homebody these days. I am excited to begin social work program. Becoming a social worker is something that I have wanted to do and dreamt about for a really long time, and I am definitely excited to be starting this journey.